In this video I'm going to give you an in-depth view of Jupiter, maybe the greatest planet from our solar system. So if you want to learn great things about Jupiter, sit back, relax, grab your favorite drink and follow me in this video. Hi, my name is Alex and on this channel I make videos to help you discover everything around you, so be sure to hit the subscribe button below and turn on notifications so you don't miss a thing. Jupiter is the fifth planet from the Sun and the largest in the solar system. It is a gas giant with a mass more than 2.5 times that of all the other planets in the solar system combined, but slightly less than 1,000th the mass of the Sun. Jupiter is the third brightest natural object in the Earth's night sky after the Moon and Venus. It has been observed since prehistoric times and is named after the Roman god Jupiter, the king of the gods, because of its observed size. Jupiter is primarily composed of hydrogen, but helium constitutes 1/4 of its mass and 1/10 of its volume. It likely has a rocky core of heavier elements, but like the other giant planets, Jupiter lacks a well-defined solid surface. Is most likely the oldest planet in the solar system. By the way, Jupiter is much larger than Earth and considerably less dense. Its volume is that of about 1,321 Earths, but it is only 318 times as massive. Also, Jupiter has the deepest planetary atmosphere in the solar system, spanning over 5,000 kilometers, 3,000 miles, in altitude. Let's see some other interesting facts about this great planet. For all its size and mass, Jupiter sure moves quickly. In fact, with an rotational velocity of 12.6 km per second, approximately 7.45 meters per second, or 45,300 km per hour, 28,148 miles per hour, the planet only takes about 10 hours to complete a full rotation on its axis. And because it's spinning so rapidly, the planet has flattened out at the poles a little and is bulging at its equator. The Great Red Spot on Jupiter is one of its most familiar features. This persistent anticyclonic storm, which is located south of its equator, measures between 24,000 kilometers in diameter and 12 to 14,000 kilometers in height. As such, it is large enough to contain 2 or 3 planets the size of Earth's diameter. And the spot has been around for at least 350 years, since it was spotted as far back as the 17th century. When people think of ring systems, Saturn naturally comes to mind. But in truth, both Uranus and Jupiter have ring systems of their own. Jupiter's were the third set to be discovered, after the other two, due to the fact that they are particularly faint. Jupiter's rings consist of 3 main segments, an inner torus of particles known as the halo, a relatively bright main ring, and an outer gossamer ring. Jupiter has a 67 confirmed and named satellites. However, it is estimated that the planet has over 200 natural satellites orbiting it. Almost all of them are less than 10 kilometers in diameter, and were only discovered after 1975, when the first spacecraft, Pioneer 10, arrived at Jupiter. However, it also has 4 major moons, which are collectively known as the Galilean moons, after their discovered Galileo Galilei. These are, in order of distance from Jupiter, Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto. These moons are some of the largest in the solar system, with Ganymede being the largest, measuring 5,262 kilometers in diameter. Jupiter is the third brightest object in the solar system, after Venus and the Moon. Chances are, you saw Jupiter in the sky, and had no idea that's what you were seeing. Over to you now. Comment below and let me know if you would have a spaceship. Would you go to Jupiter? By the way, if you liked this video, by all means give it a thumbs up, subscribe and turn on the notification bell if you want to get new great videos each week. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.